Hello, my name is Lucen, and this is my quick unboxing of the RTX 3070 from Aorus. On the packaging, it tells us that the RTX 3070 has 8GB of GDDR6 memory, RGB lighting, and a 4-year warranty. On the back, there's more information. Pause the video if you want to read about it. In particular, there's info about the LCD screen and the kind of cooling it has. Inside, there's a thick black cardboard box with the Aorus logo on top of it, and if you open that up, you'll find a black envelope that also has the Aorus logo. Inside the envelope, there's two papers. One has information about the warranty, and the other paper has information about the RTX 3070 graphics card. When you take this top layer off that held the envelope, underneath is the RTX 3070 graphics card inside an anti-static bag and an Aorus case badge to put on your computer. On the anti-static bag, there is a sticker that says Gigabyte Qualified, which is covering the opening. And here it is, the Aorus GeForce RTX 3070. It's a big graphics card with 3 fans and 2 8-pin power connectors. And since this is a big graphics card, it's really heavy, so I was curious to see how much it weighs. I got it scaled to see, and it weighs exactly 1.3 kilograms. So that's it for my unboxing of the Aorus RTX 3070. If you liked it, subscribe to my channel and like the video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.